In this video, I'm going to share with you how YouTubers make money, even new YouTubers, not like the ones with millions and millions of subscribers, but even new YouTubers with small amount of subscribers. Even if you're just starting to become a YouTuber, you can actually start to make money right away. So I'm going to share with you that in this video. My name is Rachel Leslie, and this channel is all about making money online, having an online business, working from home, using social media as a career. So the first way that YouTubers make money online, or make money with YouTube, and a lot of people already know this and they think that it's the only way that you can make money on YouTube, is ads that play on your video. Google AdSense. Ads that play before your video, overlay ads. I have some ads on my videos, and yes, I make some money from the videos. But it's not always the most lucrative way to make money from YouTube. Some channels make more money per viewers than others, just depending on their niche. So entertainment channels don't make as much money as channels that talk about finance or business. Just the way that the advertisers are willing to pay more if they're selling a business training or a financial product versus fashion products or makeup product. Also, you can't make money from Google/YouTube ads. Are called Google ads because Google owns YouTube, but you can't make money from the ads until you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time per year. If I'm wrong on that metric or it changed, I'm sorry, but a brand new channel can't make money from YouTube ads. But after you do qualify, maybe you want to turn on monetization and you can have ads play in the beginning of your videos, throughout the videos. Some people have ads play every 5 minutes. The next way that YouTubers make money online is through brand deals or sponsorships, it's sometimes called, or even speaking opportunities, because they built this brand for themselves. So they'll get paid to promote something or talk about something. I get emails from companies all the time, hey, do you want to do a brand deal sponsorship thing? But I don't do it myself. I don't think I've ever done one. I'm just not super into it. I instead, so my third tip is affiliate marketing. That way I'm getting paid for if I actually make a sale, if something's actually bought. So some people, they prefer to do brand deals, whether they just want to promote something, whether it's sold or not. And then some people prefer to do affiliate marketing, some do a mix. I've just always done affiliate marketing. I'll talk about a software or a course and then make a YouTube video about it and then put my affiliate link in the description. The fourth way to make money on YouTube is sell your own stuff. Sell something. You gotta sell something. So sell your own products. Maybe you have physical products, maybe it's digital products, maybe it's courses, maybe it's consulting, coaching, services, whatever your business is, promote it on YouTube. That's how I got started on YouTube. I was making videos giving social media tips. People in the community saw that I knew what I was talking about, and then I got more clients that way. Then I deleted all those videos and started making videos about affiliate marketing, and here we are now. And then, special bonus way to make money on YouTube is use YouTube to get your viewers on other platforms. So my YouTube viewers get on my email list because I'll share my lead magnet, some freebie, in the description below in exchange for their email address. Or I'll send them over into my Facebook group or to my Instagram or my other platforms. And then when I'm selling or promoting something on the other platforms, I make a sale. Some YouTubers go all in on YouTube and they are just making their money on YouTube, but I do think you at least want to also grow your email list. It's okay if you don't have a lead magnet yet or an autoresponder and all the tech set up for an email list yet. You can get that over time, but eventually I think you want to not put all your eggs in one basket. Although if you do spread yourself among too many platforms and you're on doing Instagram and you're doing Facebook groups and you're doing Facebook page and you're doing Twitter and you're doing LinkedIn and you're doing your email marketing and you're doing your Facebook ads and all that stuff, then it is harder to be consistent with YouTube. I know from experience. That's why for my platforms, I just try to stick with YouTube, Facebook and Facebook group, email marketing, and also Facebook chatbots and some Facebook retargeting ads too. I haven't got super into Instagram or also doing stories and all of that stuff. On YouTube though, there's like YouTube stories and you can do social media posts on YouTube also. So I'm sure there's other ways of making money on YouTube. You can let me know in the comments below, or if you're doing any of these things or any of these things interest you. Let me know too if your channel has started. Have you even started your own, have you started posting videos? I'll link some other similar videos in the description on how you can get started on YouTube, some YouTube SEO tips and strategies. So be sure to check that out in the description below. And if you are interested in my exact process on how I take my YouTube videos and then distribute them over to Facebook, over to email, and over to my chatbot, I teach all of that in my program called Online Traffic Ecosystem. It's an ecosystem because it all feeds into each other. Every time I make a new YouTube video, I send it out to my platforms, but then my platforms send traffic back to my YouTube channel, which shoots up my views. YouTube shows my video higher in its algorithm. It shows it more in the suggested, it shows it in the recommended section, it shows it up more in the search, and then I'm getting more new people coming to my YouTube and going into my email list, and then the system just keeps feeding into each other, and I'm just getting free leads, more sales every single day. So more information on Online Traffic Ecosystem is in the description below. Be sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.